Hey, mathematicians. It's me back again with another math lesson. And today we're going to talk about dividing fractions. And I'm super excited about it. Um, so I'm going to start by saying there's definitely more than one way to divide fractions. But for today's lesson, we are going to use another set of tools from our classroom that help us learn math. So let me see if I can shrink myself. As soon as you see these things, you're going to know exactly what they are. I'm sure you've seen them in our classroom. They're in the Math Center, and they are called fraction strips. And they really are a great tool for helping us learn fractions. And I really like them because they're super colorful. Okay, let's get rid of those. Just like that. And I am going to use this cool little tool here. So when we think about fractions, I just want to go over this really quick because, well, our first one is going to be 1 divided by 1/4. And let's just go ahead and make it an equation. 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4. But when we think about fractions and we see this 1 whole here, 1 and whole, they kind of are interchangeable in fractions. They kind of mean the same thing. Whole meaning that your item is still whole. It hasn't been broken down into smaller pieces or fractions yet. It's still whole. So, moving on, 1 whole divided by 1/4 equals 4. How do we know that that's true? Let's think about this for a second. If you're thinking that it's because 1/4 fits into 1 whole exactly 4 times, then you are correct. But just to illustrate, I'm going to use these cool little tools here. So there is my 1 whole. So now I'm going to find my 1/4, and we're going to see how many of those fit inside of this 1 whole. There's 2, 3, 4. So this equation is absolutely true. 1/4 fits into 1 whole 4 times. Let's get rid of that and we'll try a different one. What if we try 1/2 divided by 1/6? I could make this an equation. I could write something over here, but just for the sake of this lesson and trying different things, let's think about it as a problem and see if we can figure out how to solve it. Okay, we have 1/2 divided by 1/6. Let me get my thing and put it down here. There is my fraction strip, my 1/2 fraction strip. And we're going to divide 1/2 by 1/6. So let me find that little tool. And let's see how many 1/6 fits in 1/2. 1. Oh, I am already making a prediction here. 2, 3. 3 of them fit into 1/2. So the answer to that is 1/2 divided by 1/6 is 3. So 1/6 fits into 1/2 3 times. Well, let's keep that 1/2 there. Let's try something else. What is 1/2 divided by 1/8? Well, let's try this again. Here's the 1/8 tool. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/2 divided by 1/8 is 4. Now I think we should do a challenge problem. So challenge problems, as you know, they're a little bit harder. Let me get my pen again. Let's try 2/3 divided by 1/6. It's definitely a little bit harder problem. So let's see. I don't have a 2/3 fraction strip up here, but I do have a 1/3. So I'm going to use that 1/3 2 times. Now I have 2/3. So we need to figure out how many 1/6 are going to fit into 2/3. Well, that means we have to grab the 1/6 fraction strip. All right, you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer to 2/3 divided by 1/6 is 4. So in other words, 1/6 fits into 2/3 4 times. Well, this has been so much fun, and thank you so much for watching. I want to make sure you guys keep practicing your fractions, and I will see you next time. Bye.